Hello dear students, I hope you all are well. Today I am going to explain about the components of computer or input and output devices of computer. Basically, the computer components involve input, output, storage and processing device, that is CPU. So I will explain input and output.
Dear children, we have seen a different types of devices related to a computer around us in daily life. So can you identify? Not now, but really when I'll explain, you can identify the devices input, output and storage are categorized as computer hardware. So let us discuss the input, output and storage device. But first we will discuss about the computer diagram or working. Like computer works on input, process, output with the help of memory, that is storage. So we can see the working, like data comes in the form of instruction, that is input, and it gives the output after processing of data. So computer is working on basically input, process and output, that is IPO cycle, that is storage unit also take a role in this process. So input and output involves the process that are different functioning of your computer also. So IPO cycle is defining the working of computer, how it works in the different types of system. Now I will explain the different devices, that is input and output. It involves some devices that comes in the category of both, that is input and output. So here you can see those type of devices. Input given to an instruction by a user and with the help of brain of a computer, that is CPU, and it gives the output. We can listen with the help of speaker. So the computer devices include, first one is input, that any hardware component that allow you to enter data and instruction into a computer. So each component has its own uses, like keyboard has its own, mouse has its own, joystick has its own, scanner has its own. So basically scanner is a device which is used for converting your hard copy into a soft copy. So same way, mouse and joystick is a controlling device, and output is any hardware component that convey information to one or more people, that is monitor, printer, laser printer, projector, speaker. These are the output. Now come to the storage unit. That devices that are used to store information is called storage devices, that is used for computer for storing the data that we want to perform. So computer working flow is input, process and output involved with storage devices, that is primary storage and secondary. Primary means the internal memory of your computer. Now computer system is divided into hardware and software component. That hardware component include physical component, software component include not physical component, that is software versus hardware. Let us discuss the difference between that. Hardware components involve input, output, processing and storage device, but the software component involve programming, system software and application software. These are the basic category of software that involves in the component. So you can see here the different types of hardware and software components. So memory is classified into three parts: primary, main memory, cache memory and secondary memory, that is auxiliary memory. So Primary memory is categorized into RAM and ROM, secondary memory into another part like RAM and ROM. RAM is a temporary, ROM is a permanent memory, and RAM is a volatile and ROM is a non-volatile memory. RAM is used in normal operation and ROM is used in startup process. So computer hardware involves input, output, storage. I hope you understand it better and why we are using these types of devices, storage devices. So now here you can see the memory measurement in computer. Like when you are going to the market, we are purchasing the thing, we are saying I want 1 kg this thing, but in a computer you will say I want 2 GB memory, I want 2 TB memory. Because the memory is the base of your computer storage, which stores the information and increase the speed of your processing if there is a good memory and enough space. So computer software is classified again: system software, application, and utility. That involves programming language, word processing, and antivirus. That is utility software, that is special purpose software like banking software. So these are the categories. Thank you, I hope you enjoyed.